Hi everyone, I'm Ryan Mahoney. Today we're going to be making something that's a bit awkward. It's actually really awkward, but we're going to take some lovely GoGurts here. We're going to put them in a cup. Then we're going to, put some blueberry-cranberry juice in it to, makes it good. Okay, so, I know I'm not eating this afterwards. Okay, so we have some scissors. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this open. Okay, let's get a good shot of this. I'm gonna pour this right in here. Oh, there we go. Oh, how about this? Oh, yeah. Now my sister's telling me that we can't see it on that camera, but we can see it on this camera. Oh, isn't this just lovely? Oh, that looks even better inside the cup. I just want to eat this. No, not really. That would be disgusting. I don't want to eat this in a million years.
It's good.
Okay, so just squish the first one out into the tube. Oh. Okay. That's getting a bit cold, so I'm gonna do this next one in a towel. A little paper towel here. Gonna cut the top. Gonna just go. See how fast we can do this. 3, 2, 1. This looks disgusting.
It's good.
Look at this. It's
good.
pink.
It's
at
good.
Looks like I'm squeezing a hot dog out of a tube.
It's good.
Come on, you know you want to break free. Okay, and here's that last little bit. Oh, isn't that great? Okay. There we go. Now let's get a spoon. Let's stir this up a bit.
I already did.
Ooh, yummy. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, and here's my sister Carol. Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
No, she doesn't usually talk like that. Oh, and we're stirring it up. It looks totally disgusting. Let's show everyone. Ew. Ew.
Good.
You eat this?
Yes, I do.
Hey, YouTube. My sister eats this stuff. I know. Oh. This is... Hey, do you want to add some, like, salt and pepper? Maybe add some other things to it, like some coffee. How about that? How about some cookies? How about some ice cream? The possibilities are endless. Okay. So now that we have this, I think that now we're ready to put the blueberry-cranberry juice in. Kara, please get out of the shop. Thank you. Okay, we're going to be putting the blueberry-cranberry juice into here. My sister's behind the camera. She's going to tell me when enough is enough. Hopefully it shouldn't be a ridiculous amount, because that'll just be disgusting. As if this isn't disgusting enough. So here we go. Blueberry-cranberry. Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me when.
Okay. Wait, I need to see it, actually.
Okay. Tell me when.
That's good.
Oh, that is disgusting. Don't take it. I need to show everyone. That is... Oh, what is wrong with you?
I know. I eat it.
Yeah, she eats this stuff. Okay, let's give it a final stir.
Now I do that. Now I do it.
This looks like someone's gum is breaking. Yeah. Have to floss every day, or else this is gonna happen to your teeth.
It's good.
Sure. Oh, look at this. Ew. Ew. That is gross. Okay, well, thanks for coming to the first episode of Cooking with Ryan. I'm sure you're as disgusted as I am. And, Carol, would you like to show everyone you eat this? Do you eat it with a spoon or do you drink it?
I drink it.
Okay. Oh, look at this, a straw. Isn't this great? Here, you go ahead and start.
Wait.
Here, 1 sec.
Alright, I'm back.
No, you know what? I'm gonna share this with you. So, okay. I'll see you next time on Cooking with Ryan. See ya. Bye, nice seeing ya. Remember, Ryan Mahoney music, yo. Yeah.
Yummy.